Right, that is sound lock on when Harry met Sally. He came on her face. God, I love my job.
Hey, Lance, got the next script for you.
Oh, great, let me see it. Love at First Tit, Part 5. Alright, that should be pretty easy.
After you, cuz you're the master.
Hey, Bader.
Oh, hey, that new Foley artist is gonna be in soon.
Alright, great.
Lance.
Oh, my new sound artist?
Yes, hi.
Hey, how are you?
Thanks for having me here today.
Of course.
I gotta be honest, I've never really done this job for...
Fuck fools?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little known fact. Hold on, sorry. There we go. We record a lot of sound post for porns. We don't tend to record sound on set.
Oh,
It distracts the artists.
Artists?
Yeah, the people fucking.
Of course. Okay.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip through this script. I'm gonna let you know what I need, and hey, you do your art, okay?
Okay.
You good? Okay. Alright, so we open on a crackling fire. Perfect. Alright, and someone's walking up to the front door. Great job. And the woman walks in and is surprised to see the guy is naked. Okay, now she sees the dick and more surprised. Let's see. Alright, dick slap. Shit, sorry, I didn't get that. Can you do it again? And give me some options for dick sizes. Hey, you're great. Where'd you start it?
Thanks, Parsons New School.
I like it. We get a lot of those. All right. It's time to do the moans.
Okay.
Don't worry, all right? This is the easiest part of the job. Just give me a regular old moan.
Oh.
A surprise moan?
Oh.
Disappointed moan.
Oh.
Faking it moan.
Oh, yeah.
Badly faking it moan.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Give it to me.
Underwater moan. Oh. Reverse moan. Oprah moan.
Love that dick. You got a dick. Yes, dick. Everyone dick. Yes, dick, yes.
Soccer moan.
Yes.
Soccer mom moan.
Oh, yes. Good job.
Hey, you're a great student.
Oh, thanks. I had a great teacher.
Parsons, this is what we do, right?